Hello everyone! This video will show you how to use Spooky2 coldlaser devices, from hardware connection to software operation. Coldlaser wrist, coldlaser twin, XM generator, 5-volt power supply. Firstly, we plug the power cord directly into XM. Then we connect the coldlaser twin into outbound port of the Spooky2 XM generator. Use silicone covers to wrap the coldlaser twin. Then let's take coldlaser wrist as another example. The connection for coldlaser wrist is the same as coldlaser twin. And the white band is used to extend the cable of coldlaser wrist. And you can use it for other body parts, like back, leg, and so on.
And start the software. Here, we will run an Acne program as an example. On the Control tab, there is a pink square button with number 5. That means the Spooky2 XM generator was found. Now we go back to the Preset tab and choose Preset. There are 2 ways to choose a preset. First, we click Miscellaneous, Spooky Cold Laser Acne L -JW, then go to the Control tab. Tick Overwrite Generator. Next, click the square button and click the Start button. The second way is to click Shell Empty Preset, choose Spooky Cold Laser L -JW, go to the Program tab and enter Acne as keywords to search program. Then go to the Control tab, tick Overwrite Generator and click the square button. Finally, click the Start button. The red button becomes green, which means the program is running, and cold laser twin or wrist should be light. Spooky cold laser twin can be inserted directly into our nostrils, ear, navel, or acupuncture points, meridians. Placing the lasers further from the target can treat larger areas. Spooky cold laser wrist is primarily designed to be strapped into the underside of your wrist. With a white band, it can be used for belly, back, leg, and so on.